Time with Lacey and Le.
Welcome my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. This is called Tea Time with Lidlets. Guys, today I'll be making coconut drops and I want to take you guys on that journey. Let's get right into it. So this is what I did. I cut my coconut up and I placed it in a pot of boiling water. In that boiling water I had cinnamon powder and also ginger, and I put a little bit of sugar in it also. Be preparing also the banana leaves, and as you may see right now I am actually putting each of them because I'm taking away some of the stains and for the drops to hold on, to be placed on these leaves. Okay guys, so that's what I did. Boiling down, coming down slowly but surely, guys. It's looking really good. As you may see, it's dropping down. See, the color is changing. So this is how I make mine. How you do? But this is how I do my thing. I would like to know, I would like to know how you do your thing. This is how I do mine. And you may see.
Just imagine the picture you sent. You sent the picture of one thin and clever black boy. So does not make sense.
So as you may see guys, it's less liquid. So now we know that it's getting there. So as you may, so what you're gonna search for, you're searching for the thickness. So as long as your liquid is thick, then you may add it to your banana leaves or foil paper or whatever you like to place it on. So I didn't show you guys how I placed it because I was the one holding the camera and doing all these things, so it was a whole lot. So that's how I like mine. I don't like it too brown and the sugar burning up and all of it, those things. I don't like it like that. I like it like this, and that's the reason why I make it like this. So the more you keep boiling your sugar or let it burn, the darker it will be. But that's how I like mine. I really enjoy having this color. Yes, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Leave a comment below how you guys will make your drops, and or if I did a good job in making my drops. Sorry, as I said before, that I didn't show you guys how I put them on the banana leaf. But that's how I make my drops, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much.
Yeah, that's a tea time with Lacey and